Welcome back to Adhyayan Academy. Today we are diving into Class 12 Home Science. Chapter 13, Development Communication and Journalism, complete with a chapter summary, MCQs and important questions. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our helpful study videos. Communication plays a vital role in development and social change. It helps people exchange ideas, share knowledge, and bring awareness to important issues. Media acts as a strong channel in spreading awareness about health, environment, poverty, education, and many other social concerns. Journalism, often called the fourth pillar of democracy, ensures public participation and provides a platform for expression. Together, development communication and journalism serve as powerful tools to sensitize society, encourage active involvement, and empower communities to bring about meaningful change. Development refers to positive socio-economic and cultural change. It focuses on addressing challenges such as mass illiteracy, population growth, malnutrition, poor health, hunger, and pollution. Development journalism, on the other hand, emerged after the colonial era, highlighting real stories of progress. It reports on success stories of people, adoption of new technologies, and social achievements, while showcasing how communities actively participate in new projects and initiatives. The term, development communication, was coined by Nora Quabrel in 1972. She defined it as the art and science of human communication for planned development of a disadvantaged society. Its key features include orientation towards socio-economic development, educating and informing the community, and the use of both mass media and interpersonal communication channels. Development communication is always audience-centered, where motivation plays a central role. Most importantly, it is a two-way process that encourages dialogue between the people and the agencies involved. In India, development communication has been used effectively through nationwide campaigns. A strong example is the Red Ribbon Express, which spread awareness about HIV and AIDS using trains as a medium, along with workshops and street plays. Another milestone campaign is the Swachh Bharat Mission, which emphasized sanitation, hygiene, and behavior change. It made extensive use of mass media, celebrity endorsements, and community participation to spread the message across every corner of the country. Radio and television have always been the most accessible and affordable tools of development communication in India. They reach millions through formats like news, interviews, dramas, quiz shows, jingles, and public service announcements. A special role is played by community radio, which is local, participatory, and often broadcast in regional dialects. Examples include Vanasthali Vidyapeeth in Rajasthan, Seva in Gujarat, and Delhi University FM, all of which give communities a direct voice in development. Print media has always been a powerful tool for spreading awareness, though its reach in rural areas is still limited. A classic example is the Village Chatera project of 1969, where the Hindustan Times reported on rural life. These reports not only highlighted challenges, but also inspired real change by connecting communities with solutions and support. Information and communication technologies, including computers, mobiles, and the internet, have transformed both the economy and the society. In India, the SARI project in Tamil Nadu established tele-centers that provided essential e-services in health, education, and governance. Similarly, the Self-Employed Women's Association, or SEVA, has used ICTs to empower women through IT training, access to communication tools, and the creation of community learning centers. These examples highlight how digital technologies can drive development and inclusion. To excel in development communication and journalism, a wide set of skills is required. Cognitive skills help in understanding social issues, while creative skills allow for designing impactful content. Technical skills, such as camera handling, video editing, broadcasting, and software use, are equally important. Alongside these, soft skills like questioning ability, sensitivity, teamwork, leadership, and active listening play a crucial role. Finally, proficiency in at least one language, along with computer knowledge, reporting, and documentation, strengthens a communicator's effectiveness. Development communication and journalism offers a wide scope, covering areas such as education, social marketing, media advocacy, and participatory communication. Careers can be pursued as development journalists across print, television, radio, digital, and community media. One can also work as a researcher, focusing on gender, health, agriculture, or environmental issues, or take up roles as trainers for grassroots workers, policymakers, and corporate staff. Freelancing and consultancy are also popular options. Overall, this field provides rewarding opportunities, both in terms of income and social contribution. Now, let's test your knowledge. What services were provided in the Sustainable Access in Rural India (SARI) project? A. Employment services. B. Agricultural services. C. A. Government services. D. Community services. Who does the work of reaching out to the community through many means? A. Accountant. B. Moneylender. C. Historian. D. Journalist. Which of the following medium are examples of weekly newspapers, magazines, leaflets? A. Literature. B. Print media. C. Training medium. D. Digital medium. Pulse polio immunization is an example of a multimedia dash. A. Project. B. Campaign. C. Advertisement. D. Interactive format. Who coined the term development communication in 1972? A. Harold Liswell. B. Nora Quebrell. C. Marshall McLuhan. D. Wilbur Schramm. The Red Ribbon Express campaign was mainly focused on creating awareness about A. Malaria. B. Tuberculosis. C. HIV, AIDS. D. Polio. Community radio differs from All India Radio because it is A. Cheaper and managed by local people. B. Government controlled. C. National level broadcasting. D. Commercial in nature. The Swachh Bharat mission was launched in which year? A. In 2005. B. In 2014. C. In 2017. D. In 2019. Which of the following is not a feature of development communication? A. Oriented towards socio-economic development. B. Based on audience characteristics. C. One-way flow of information only. D. Combines mass media and interpersonal communication. Seva used ICTs mainly for A. Entertainment of rural women. B. Empowering grassroots women workers. C. Promoting luxury products. D. Political campaigns. Let us now look at some important questions. Very short answer questions, 2 marks. What services have been made easily accessible using mobile phones? Give 2 examples. Banking and financial transactions. Marketing and distribution. What kind of institution or organization can a development communication expert choose for his career? Government institutions. Non-governmental organizations. What centers have been set up in rural areas by the Self-Employed Women's Association? Seva. Community Learning Centers. CLCS. What 2 developmental problems can be studied by students doing research in research institutions? Health problems. Agricultural problems. Name any 2 mass media that are most widely used for development communication. Radio and television. Short answer questions, 3 marks. What is development communication and what is its role in development? Development communication is the art and science of using communication for the planned development of disadvantaged society. It creates awareness about available technologies and mobilizes people to use them. It builds dialogue between people and development agencies for positive social change. Its role is to inform, educate, motivate, and bring socio-economic development and equity. How is community radio different from All India Radio? Community radio is a new, local, and interactive format compared to air. It is for the community, by the community, and about the community. It is not designed to earn profit. It enables participation in solving issues like poverty, gender inequality, health, sanitation, and more. It ensures public participation at all levels. What is a campaign? Make a slogan for the campaign on the problem of your choice. A campaign is the combined use of communication methods, like meetings, tours, newspaper articles, leaflets, and exhibitions, for a specific period, to spread awareness. Slogan for Corona Vaccine Awareness Campaign. To stay protected from deadly corona disease, take the COVID vaccine, and remain at ease. Information communication technologies are the future vessels of development. Comment. ICT includes computer hardware and software, digital broadcasting, and telecommunication technology. It is used worldwide for information access and knowledge sharing. Mobile phones have made markets, services, and conveniences easily accessible. ICT improves quality of life through online banking, shopping, health services, education, and employment. It is transforming societies economically, socially, and politically. ICT is used as an empowerment tool of development communication. What are its 6 uses? Computers, videos, telephones, fax, mobiles, radios, televisions, and satellite communication. Mobile phones enable access to markets, social trade, and public services. Governments provide important information through mobiles, for example, corona updates. ICT facilitates banking, financial transactions, marketing, distribution, employment, and public services. It provides educational material and supports online teaching and examinations. It is used for bill payments, health sessions, and connecting globally. Overall, ICT is economically, socially, and politically transformative. Long answer questions, 5 marks. Explain in detail any 5 skills needed for a career in the field of development communication and journalism. The first is writing skills, the ability to write clear, concise, factual articles, features, reports, and press releases that create awareness. The second is listening skills. Active listening helps in understanding community needs and perspectives for effective reporting. The third is research skills. Collecting, verifying, and analyzing data from authentic sources ensures accuracy. The fourth is interpersonal skills. Building rapport and communicating effectively with individuals, groups, and organizations. The fifth is technical or ICT skills, using computers, the internet, cameras, and audiovisual tools to enhance communication and reach. Why is development journalism important in a developing country like India? It focuses on issues of social and economic development, such as poverty, health, women empowerment, and literacy. It acts as a bridge between government policies and people, ensuring awareness about schemes and programs. It motivates communities to adopt improved practices in farming, health, education, and other areas. It provides a voice to the poor and marginalized, highlighting their problems at national platforms. It helps achieve national goals of growth and social progress through information and awareness. What are the different methods of development communication? Describe any 2 methods. The methods of development communication are mass media, folk media, interpersonal communication, and ICT-based media. Mass media. It helps reach a large audience quickly. It spreads awareness on health, literacy, family planning, environment, and other social issues. Folk media. It uses traditional, cultural, and familiar forms of communication. It is emotionally appealing and easily understood, especially by rural populations. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Adhyayan Academy. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more educational videos. See you in the next lesson.